What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So I watched Boruto episode 291. So it was good. Not as good as I thought it would be. I gotta be honest. It was good though. I mean, I'm not gonna complain. Okay, and we're kind of close up on his face, right? Focusing on the eyes. So, curved line, let's go. Curved line like that, okay? And in Boruto, they have kind of two. So we got like this spike that comes down here, right? First. Relatively thin. And we'll thicken up the top eyelid a little bit. So normally in other animes they have, so this line continues around, but in Boruto we got to step in and add another eyelid line coming down here, see? And then this curves around up to there, right? So you got like these two lines on the edge of his eye, and like another little one sort of like one here, and then like a top one coming down here. Right, so it's a little bit more complicated than Naruto from Naruto, but just a little extra detail on the eyes. Right, so then his iris and pupil, so real big, sort of half circle because we're so close up, curving around here. And then the pupil. Inside there. You just color that black. And we're going to thicken up this line as well. Right? So then we have a little like extra line just here. And then his eyebrow sort of starts here and goes right close to the top of his eye. It eventually goes underneath his headband. It's just up there, right? Like so. So, line for his nose just comes down here. And then like the tip of it is kind of just like there. And then we have a nostril like that. Just above this sort of nostril is kind of where his eyebrow will sort of start, just here, right? It's kind of above this. And this eyebrow goes across underneath the headband as well. Kind of bigger than that one. So his other eye, similar sort of shape, right? Same thing again. So we go up and then across. Like that. It's kind of a bit darker, right? But we could do that spike just here first. And we'll thicken it up a bit. And we'll thicken up the top eyelid as well. Okay. And then again, we're going to go down around here and up into the corner. Okay, so you do that extra sort of line inside here. So the Jougan eye is like really big, right? So like curves around Goes all the way around and back up. There. And then it's got like a little grey section just lightly drawn in just in there. And maybe like a frown sort of line here. There. And then his mouth, we'll go down here and just do a sort of serious downturned kind of mouth. Like so. And his bottom lip. Just there. And then chin. Going that way. So like roughly speaking, right? Pupil, say to nose, is about the same as nose to chin. So here to here is about the same as here to here. On this diagonal sort of line, right? So here and here is about the same. And then nose to bottom lip is about the same as bottom lip to chin. So here to here is about the same as here to here. Okay, so that space and that space are the same. So that's halfway between here and here. This space and this space are about the same. So that's halfway between here and here. Okay. The rough proportions of the face. We do his jaw. We go up this way. Curving slightly as we go. All the way up to his ear, which is about here. And then face on the other side. Curving up this way. Up to there. Okay, so this curves around for his ear. Down like so. And then he has his headband and all these hair spikes that come across his forehead, right? So the headband comes down around these eyebrows, right? Like so. And of course we have his cheek lines. There. We can just see some of his other ear coming out from underneath his hair here. And he does have like scratches and stuff all over his face as well. Because he's been fighting. He's been a scrapping. Okay, so we'll do his hair spikes that come across his head, and then we'll deal with sort of the black tattoo kind of stuff he's got on his face. So this curves down for his hair spike. Back up. Another one comes down across the ear. Back up and around. Like that. And then this side. Across there. This will like curve around here. And then the rest of the headband kind of bumps up around there, and hair going off that way. And then short Boruto hair spikes there. And then, right, ear lines down around like so. Headband here. Some studs, and this is Sasuke's headband, isn't it? So it's like it's got the scratch going through And then we have the ninja leaf symbol, right? So coming around like this. Okay, some more sort of metal there. Okay, so next. So we've got those marks are on his eyes when he's in this form, right? So we go down here, and then this comes down across his cheek. It's a double line. And then this goes into the corner of his nose, and then back up there. And then we have another section just here. Of course, it changes again if Momoshiki takes over. I know there's like different angles and stuff. Right, and then he's got like a real big collar on, right? So it's like right up here. So it comes out from around his ear, down to there. And then this comes out like so, down to there, there. Right, and then his shoulder goes off the page that way. Got some more fold lines just here, and then that purple line there, and then the collar on this side, like so. Like that, and then this comes down. And then we go down to there, like so, and then some more sort of lines going around his collar here and his neck. So we can just see like a necklace hanging down here and here as well. And I think this goes around the back of his neck. There. And then we have some more of those lines that come down his face. They run down his body on all the way down to his arm, I think. And like a neckline here. Okay. But I think that's everything. That is how to draw Boruto from episode 291 of Boruto. Ear lines in here. Alright, hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.